ES6 is an ECMS scripts 6 edition. Okay, ECMS script is a standard for scripting language. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hemant Panchal, and today we are going to learn about ES6. So I will give you some just few liners of introduction and what is how you can do the environment setup for the same. So basically, ES6 is a scripting language which is standardized by ECMS Script International. It is used for client-side scripting, which runs on any browser. Okay, and latest edition is introduced in June 2021. Now, let's understand about the JavaScript. Basically, JavaScript runs on any browser, any host, and any operating system. Okay, so JavaScript basically runs on this type of objects. We can say browser, host, or any operating system. Now, what code editor is popular? Which code editor is a popular? Is like a Notepad, Notepad++, and Visual Code, Visual Studio, etc. Okay, but Visual Code is one of the most popular code editor for JavaScript, TypeScript. So I will go for Visual Code, and main installation is required of Node.js. So Node.js is very important to work with these scripting languages.